Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time I will presentation about chart, good website and bad website. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mohamed Zidan Fikri, number 18.
My name is Alia Putristia Madani, number 6.
My name is Sikirna Bukhari, number 14.
My name is Ramadan Maulana Akbar, number 21.
The first presentation is alias.
The first chart is line chart. Next. A line chart is a chart that only displays the closing rate without involving the highest, lowest, and opening rates. One closing rate represents a period. For example, 1 day period, the exchange rate movement during 1 day is represented by the last exchange rate, the closing rate. The line is formed by connecting each of the closing rates sequentially every day. Next. This graph is a very simple graph in appearance because it ignores random occurrence of the formation of the highest, lowest, and opening exchange rates. The range of exchange rate movement during the day is not informed. Next. This is graph of movement of COVID-19 in Indonesia. The line chart on the side shows the movement in the number of positive cases affected by COVID-19, is died and recovered. The line chart shows the data from 19 October to 12 November 2020. Next website, good website. Next, good website, masukkampus.com. 5 a reason. 1. Very accessible. 2. Minimalist design. 3. Very simple layout. 4. The right font size. And 5. Not very much animation. The next presentation is Zaidan Fikri.
The second chart is pie chart. A pie chart is statistical graph in the form of a circle divided into slices to represent numerical proportions. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. Although this chart is named for its similarity to sliced pie, there are variations in the way it is served. What it does, this graph is used when you want to get a pie or circle graph of a data series. Their function shows how the data points relate to the whole data. For example, it's like the image above, which show the percentage of people who use the Firefox browser, Chrome, Opera, Safari, and Internet Explorer website. Good website. The website is quizzes.com. Five reasons. First, easy to use. Second, good color selection. Third, neat menu layout. Fourth, no lag when used by many people. Fifth, can be accessed via laptop or PC or mobile. The next presentation is Ikri.
Next graph to be shown is the column chart. In general, column chart is used to measure quality. Column charts are used to show change in data over a certain period of time or to illustration comparison between items. This graph is usually shaped like a bar with a vertical shape that will display the data. This can be used for any data, but is more commonly used for comparison of information data concerted in document. For example, as in the internet growth chart in Indonesia, which is increasingly increasing its user from year to year, as in the data that has been shown. Next. Website, web website. Next. Website argent.net. Five reason. Page increasingly alike or out order. Profile view owner not found. No comment space. For aesthetic value, color choice that are to bring so that it makes the eyes tired quickly. Suggestion. It best to share the page coherently, then replace patterned picture with more useful writing or argument. Add a comment column for all viewers as a critique of suggestion and display the owner profile so that viewers can find out the source of the web owner. Next. The last presentation is Akbar.
Okay. This slide I will explain about scatter plot chart. Next. Scatter plot is a graph that commonly used to see a pattern of relationship between two variables. To be able to use a scatter plot, the scale of the data used must be the internal interval and ratio scale. And with scatter plot chart, you can find out about the information about the number of use of an application and others. Next. And we can see example plot chart about most application use, and we can see again is on number 5. And this is a Facebook application. And lowest data is Lazada. Next, I will talk about website, and this is a pet website. Next, the pet website is MrBattle.net, and I give a 5 reason for the web. And the first is image use is of low quality. The second is doesn't indicate the antiquity of the object. And third, incorrect image selection. Fourth, interactive design concept. And five, content on the web is not as expected. Next. And my suggestion is the first is we must provide good quality image. And the second, the content of the website we must be neatly recorded. And third, must explain the content of the website that makes the name on the web. And thank you for my explain my next. We take it for my teacher.
So that's all of the presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.